If you go to a police station to file a complaint, will the police always register an FIR? No. Many people get confused between a police complaint and an FIR. In today's video, we will discuss in simple terms the difference between an FIR and a police complaint, and in which cases a complaint can be filed directly in the court. People often assume that filing a complaint at a police station means the police will take immediate action and arrest the accused. But that is not always the case. The law divides offences into two categories, cognizable and non-cognizable. The process for each is different, and in some cases, the police is not even allowed to register an FIR. Let's understand this step by step. What is a complaint to the police? A complaint is any information given to the police about an offence. A complaint can be written or oral. Not every complaint leads to an FIR. The police first determines whether the offence is cognizable or non-cognizable. For example, if someone threatens you during an argument, you can file a complaint, but the police may not immediately register an FIR unless the threat is serious. Cognizable versus non-cognizable offences. Cognizable offences are crimes where the police must register an FIR and start an investigation immediately without the need of a court approval. Example, murder is a cognizable offence. Similarly, causing grievous hurt is also a cognizable offence. Non-cognizable offences. There are cases where the police cannot register an FIR and needs prior approval from the court to start an investigation. For example, defamation is a non-cognizable offence. Similarly, simple hurt is also a non-cognizable offence. So what is an FIR? FIR is a formal legal document recorded by the police when a cognizable offence is reported. Once an FIR is registered, the police is legally bound to start an investigation. For example, if someone breaks into your house and commits theft of valuables more than Rs 5,000, the police must register an FIR and start an investigation immediately. When is the registration of an FIR mandatory? The Supreme Court in the case of Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP made it clear that if a complaint reveals commission of a cognizable offence, the police must register an FIR immediately. If the complaint is unclear, the police may conduct a preliminary inquiry before registering an FIR. If the police refuses to register an FIR in such conditions without a valid reason, it constitutes violation of the law. Complaint to the police versus complaint to the court. Some cases cannot be filed with the police and must be directly filed in court as a private complaint. For example, in cases of criminal defamation, complaint must be filed in a court. In check bounce cases under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, complaint must be filed in the court. So now you know the difference between an FIR and a complaint. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and share the video with your friends.